Darren here again. I'm at the top of the knob, the new knob chair, so it opens up tons of terrain up here. To show you where I'm at, top of the world, new knob chair opened up tons of terrain that way. I'm turning this way, so I'm facing south. Let's look. Alright, view from the north side of the knob chair. Yeah, we're up high. It's pretty up here. Yeah. Gotta get down there somewhere. Great day for skiing. Lots of sun. Yeah, I guess you can traverse all the way down over there. I wonder what's over there. Okay, bye. So we did a run just now, and I got a widescreen. Yeah, so we went and traversed down there to do a run check, and then yeah, we went down this way out there into the bowl, over that bump. That's the old knob chair down there. And yeah, so maybe we go that way this time. I don't know. We'll find out where to go. Anyways, yeah, I can ski now. I'm fully amazed, which is alright. There's some very good skiers up here. I guess you have to. There's no easy way down, it says.